Hi, welcome to Tech with Manna. Today I will talk about Atera. So let's start the topic. Atera RMM software made for people. Atera is a beautifully simple remote monitoring and management software designed for MSPs and IT professionals. We combine RMM and PSA remote access billing, reporting and more in a single all-encompassing platform. Everything you need, nothing you don't. From remote monitoring and management to powerful texting and receiving customer feedback, Atera's all-in-one RMM software helps you get your work done faster and better. Less hassle, more control, and an IT strategy that actually works. Remote monitoring and management. With Atera's RMM platform, you can be proactive and spot issues before your customers with powerful root cause analysis, patch management, and more. Remote access and support. Stay connected and productive wherever you go. Fast and easy remote access, including the transfer and multi-screen support. Here also you can check the comments of the users which are using Atera. You can also try a free trial on Atera. So I will fill up the form. For your free trial, firstly you will type our email here. After typing your email address, now you are signing up in Atera. After that, you will fill up the further details of this form according to your business. Hopefully you get a better knowledge from this video. If you really like my video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more informative videos. Wait for my next video. I will come soon, inshallah. Till then, take care. Bye bye.